This is kind of a random video, but I had somebody ask if I could show them how I make my bed. Yeah, it's pretty basic. There's really nothing special to it, but I really like the way that I've started making my bed because it gives it a very hotel-esque kind of a vibe, which I really like. So this is kind of how my bed starts out first thing in the morning when I wake up. It's about 10:30. I've been lazy today, haven't made my bed yet. So usually when I sleep, I only sleep with this smaller, flatter pillow because it's really, really comfortable, and anything higher just gives my neck a kink. And of course, I'm the only person sleeping in my bed at this moment. So my other two pillows are just sitting on the floor right there. And yeah, why don't we just get started making the bed? So the very first thing that I do is I pull back the duvet and I straighten out the sheet. And the key to making the bed is put your sheet on your bed upside down. So where you would think you would put like the top part of the sheet that you want showing right side up, you actually want to put it face down. And there's a reason for that, which I will show you in a minute. Something else that I forgot to mention is I usually do this on a daily basis as well. I'm not sure if you can see, but my cat likes to sleep on my bed sometimes, and so sometimes you will see little bits of cat hair, and I hate having a dirty bed or cat hair anywhere. I really can't stand like messes from pets and stuff like that, so I'm actually going to take a lint brush and just get rid of the cat hair first. Okay, so once I have my sheet lying like this on my bed, nice and flat, and I have the top part of the sheet kind of about 5 or 6 inches from the front, which is going to leave me enough room for my pillows once I go ahead and fold it back. Now I'm just going to actually tuck in the bottoms the way you would in a hotel or in a hospital. Because I'm a nurse, I guess I'm well trained in this, and I also actually used to be a housekeeper a long time ago. But you basically make a mitered corner, so I will show you on camera how to make a mitered corner if you've never done that before. It's actually very easy. So to make a mitered corner, you essentially take the bottom part of the sheet and you tuck it in all the way along the bottom to start with. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually put my duvet cover on the bed.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up.
Okay, so my duvet is just nicely lying on the bed. I make sure there's enough of the duvet at the bottom of the bed to cover up the entire mattress. The type of frame that I have is just a really inexpensive, it was like $100 from Amazon literally for this beautiful queen-sized box spring, and it's nice because it allows for a little bit of storage, and it also gives your bed like an off-the-ground, airy kind of a feel, which I really like. Unfortunately, that means you also have to hide whatever's underneath, so you either need a bed skirt, which I'm not a fan of bed skirts, or you have to have kind of a long sheet or a long duvet on the top. So in any case, I make sure that there's lots of fabric all the way around the bed, and then I'm going to go ahead and fold the top down and show you how I complete the look.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
Okay, So I think you guys saw what I did there. I basically just folded the top sheet over and just folded it down once and then tucked in the sides. Yeah, and then I've tucked it in on this side as well. And then it's time to put the pillows on. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. What I did was I didn't tuck in the bottoms though. I kind of just left those untucked, and I left it untucked all the way around the front of the bed because, like I said, I have a couple of boxes and stuff like that underneath that I prefer to hide. Otherwise, when you walk into the room, you can actually see everything that's underneath the bed through the mirror, which I don't like. I kind of like to keep it a little bit hidden. So it's kind of a little bit undone. If I had a proper box spring, I would finish it by tucking in and doing a mitered corner, the same thing as I did with the sheets, I would do with the duvet cover, and I would tuck it all in and it would look a lot more finished. But this is kind of my makeshift way of doing it. I think it looks a little bit more tidy having the top tucked in as opposed to left out, but you could certainly leave it left tucked out as well. So like I said, it's super simple. There's nothing complicated to it whatsoever, but I really like it. That's it for today's video, you guys, and I hope everybody has a terrific day, and I'll see you guys all later.